Welcome to the Health Sciences Information 101 tutorial on selecting a resource. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to determine your information need, know where to find information that fulfills that need, and successfully retrieve the relevant information. This tutorial addresses information competency number 2. Select appropriate resources relative to an information need in order to find the best available information. To get started, you may use the HSL Discovery search box to search across the library website. This search includes all the databases and journals the library subscribes to, as well as books, book chapters, and eBooks. For efficient searching, the library also offers research guides designed to meet the unique needs of each academic department. To view a research guide, log in to the library website and under More Research Tools in the middle of the page, click on Research Guides. Then click on Department Guides and select the relevant department. In each guide, you will find a list of tabs that contain suggested resources to get you started in your research. These resources are organized by type. You may find different resources appropriate depending on your information need. Let's talk about how you might use each resource type. Books are offered in print or electronically and include textbooks, reference materials like dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks and manuals, histories such as biographies, and other scholarly works. Books are often useful in the first stage of your research, if you're looking for background information, foundational knowledge or how-tos, statistics, or to document other known facts. If you find a book about a topic similar to your own, it is helpful to use the book's reference list to guide you to more resources. Books are an often overlooked resource for students because of their length, but they still contain helpful bits of information. Use the index of a print book to find where names or subjects appear inside the text. In an electronic book, you can search for keywords within the text using the book's search box or by typing Control F on your PC. This can be useful for finding information that is not explicitly mentioned in the book's summary or table of contents, but that is mentioned in the text of the book. Journals are often searched to find out what is known about a topic. Journals publish various types of articles. Some types may be more helpful than others, depending on your information need. Many articles of original research describe one focused research study and tend to be more useful after you have developed a highly focused search strategy. For example, if your search includes a specific population, region, or comparison. These individual studies tend to be highly specific and can become overwhelming if you are just beginning your research. Still, these types of journal articles work well as supporting evidence, to include in a literature review, or for locating relevant figures. Journals also publish review articles that summarize previous studies up until a point in time. Review articles indicate what research has already been done on a topic, summarize the research, and may also indicate what is not known about the topic. Review articles are generally more broad in focus and are helpful when you are just beginning to gather information. However, do not confuse review articles with systematic reviews or meta-analyses. These are not plain review articles and are usually considered high-quality evidence, which plain review articles are not. Many databases, such as PubMed, allow you to limit your search by article type. To view more article types, select Customize. To find journal articles, you will look in research databases, such as PubMed, CINAHL, and Embase. You can find the most relevant databases for your search in your department's research guide. or by selecting databases in the center of the library homepage. Searching for a journal article in a research database provided by the library offers a number of advantages, including discipline-focused content for more relevant search results, recommended subject headings to find what you're looking for more quickly, the use of limiters and expanders to control your search, editorial oversight so that your results are more likely to be from peer-reviewed scholarly journals, and direct links to the full text of articles and free interlibrary loan when you are logged into the library homepage. Besides general research databases like PubMed, the library has specialty resources such as Health Business Elite, Access Physiotherapy, or the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. Some people ask, when are websites appropriate to use for research? Your department's research guide will list some authoritative websites to get you started. A web search can retrieve results that are difficult to find elsewhere, such as data, statistics, fact sheets, practice guidelines, policy information, and other information that is produced by organizations and government agencies. These are good uses for websites. However, for scholarly information, journal articles are preferable. Most data and statistical information is collected and distributed by government agencies or nonprofit organizations. You can type the limiter cite:/.gov or cite:/.org after your search terms in Google to find information from these sources more efficiently. As with any resource, it will be important to evaluate your web source. Use the who, what, when, where, why framework to think critically about whether your selected resource is appropriate. Ask yourself, who created this resource? In what ways are they qualified to speak about this topic? In what ways are they potentially biased? What is the resource content actually addressing? Does it balance conflicting points of view? When was the resource created? Is there a more current resource that could be used? Was the resource ever updated or maintained? Where was this resource published? Is the publisher reputable? Where did the authors get their information from? Do they accurately cite their sources? Do they provide citations at all? Where does the resource fit into the current scholarly conversation about your topic? Why did the author create the resource? What purpose does this resource have? Who is it intended for? And finally, why did you choose this source? In what ways does it match your research question? As always, if you have a research question or a technical question, please contact us. You can reach us by email, phone, or chat by clicking on the Ask a Librarian button on the library homepage.